Sharing files with your field teams is simple with Digs. Having the right file at your fingertips when you're on site or in the field is crucial for smooth operations. With Digs, you can easily identify the files your team needs, then mark them as safe for public sharing by publishing. Once published, these files can be shared via secure QR codes or direct hyperlinks, with no Digs login required for viewing. Just be sure not to select files that contain sensitive or private information before sharing. Using the blueprint as an example, we will publish a file. In the bottom center of the blueprint, we click on the kebab menu, which looks like 3 vertical dots. From this menu we will click Publish. A pop-up window will ask you to confirm your selection. Digs will create a link to your file, along with a QR code. Remember to validate that the file is acceptable for public access before proceeding. From here, you can now test the published file. Point your cell phone camera at the QR code or highlight and copy the URL to test via your web browser. Now that the file is live, you can share this with people on your team. Send a link or QR code to users who need access, or print the QR code to leave on site if needed. Removing access is just as easy. Should you choose to remove access to the file, simply open this same Share menu and select Unpublish. Republishing the file will use the same link and QR codes, so no need to worry if you deactivate something by accident. Keep an eye out for the globe icon. This icon is a fast way to identify that a file in your system has a published link or QR code available. You can see the same globe in the main file system as well, allowing for fast knowledge on what is shareable and what is not. A good process may also be to place copies of files you intend to share into a single folder so that you can be organized when activating and deactivating QR codes. Simple and easy to use, Digs published files and QR codes can be a great addition to your workflows and support the success of team members who do not need direct tool access to Digs.